Assign Nnamdi Kanu's case to another judge or transfer him to Southeast. IPOB writes to CJN. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to this headline that we got in this morning. As a headline for this morning says that assign Nnamdi Kanu's case to another judge or transfer to Southeast. IPOB writes to CJN. The legal team of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), has approached the Chief Judge of the Federation, Kuridat Kekere-Ekun, to prevail on the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court in Abuja, Justice John Tosho, to reassign his case or transfer it to the Southeast. Kanu's trial commenced in 2015 and was pending trial before Justice Binta Muta Yanko of the Abuja High Court until 24th of September 2024, when the judge, pursuant to the request of the IPOB leader, rescued herself from presiding over the trial. Nyako also entered and enrolled an order of resusha thereafter stepping down. Well, in a letter addressed to Kekere Ekun dated February 19, 2025, Kanu-led counsel Aloy Mako said, despite the foregoing, the complaint wrote to the court on 5th of December 2024, requesting that the case to be relisted for trial before the rescued judge. Honorable Justice Binta Milka Yako, in a reaction, recountered with a reply opposing the relisting or reassignment of the case to the same judge because the order of resusha, being extant and subsisting legally, banned his lordship from presiding over the trial or has otherwise ousted the jurisdiction of the particular court. The letter obtained by Newsport titled Request for Your Lordship Intervention in the Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Mazi Nnamdi Kanu added, we have approached the Chief Judge of the Federation to intervene with the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court on the matter of proper reassignment of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case to another judge in Abuja, or to transfer the case to Southeast, where the offense allegedly occurred and where all our witnesses are located. We are soldiers of record to the defendant Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the above referenced case pending before the Abuja Division of the Federal High Court, he said. The said defendant may hereafter be referred as our client or the defendant. The purpose of this communication is to most respectfully request your lordship prompt administrative intervention, directing the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court to abide by the law and assign this case to trial to a court that poses the requisite jurisdiction. In total disregard to the incontrovertible facts anticipated above, the Honorable Chief Judge proceeded to reassign this case for trial before the same judge, who stand rescued by the said order of resuscitation as on 10th February 2025. Our client was summoned to appear for trial before the same judge. Upon the receipt of the hearing notice, we wrote a letter to the Honorable Chief Judge protesting the reassignment of the case to the said rescued judge and the alternative, requesting for transfer of the case to the Southeast, prompted by credible information at our disposal, indicating that no other judge in the Abuja division of the Federal High Court is willing to take the case, in addition to the fact that Southeast is the place where the offences were alleged to have impact. Well, in the meantime, the defendants had on 14th January 2025 filed a complaint against the said rescued judge before the National Judicial Council, and the said complaint is still pending. Despite the foregoing, the said honorable judge neither responded to our said letter nor reassigned the case to judge other than the said judge that was rescued. Thus, on the said 10th February 2025, we, out of abiding respect for the sanity of the court, appeared under protest before the rescued judge, whereupon the said court SAN jurisdiction entered an order of adjournment indefinitely. And that was what I was said here concerning silence today this morning, which says that assign Nnamdi Kanu's case to another judge or transfer it to the Southeast. I popular rights to CJN. And well, of course, yes, of course, you had it for me this morning. If you're not a subscriber, the best you can do right here, right now, is to tap that subscribe button here with the notification bell. So anytime I have any new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it ASAP. Well, if you don't know what is actually going on now, let me brief you. Concerning Nnamdi Kanu's case, Aloy Mako and all his legal teams have written a letter to the Chief Judge of the Federation, seeking them that they should transfer Nnamdi Kanu's case to Southeast or to another judge in Abuja and let this case continue. I mean, the case has to continue. You cannot just let it just die down like that. I mean, Sheikh Sani was right. You cannot solve a problem by just pausing the time. You cannot solve a problem without pausing time. So that is it. You can't just solve a problem by just pausing time, and that's why Alojimako wants the case to continue. But if the case has to continue, Binta Yako must stay home. Yeah, she have to rescue herself from the case. She does not have anything to do with Nnamdi Kanu's case again, like entirely. She does not have anything to do with Nnamdi Kanu's case. She has rescued herself. She has rescued herself like that. Yes, yeah, I mean, I'm kind of lawyer made it clear that out of respect. I mean, out of respect for the sanity of the court, they appeared before that. They're not going to. If they have to do things, then they're not supposed to appear on 10th of February 2025. Mm-hmm. They won't appear before the court if they have to do that. If they have to take matters to their own hands, they won't appear before the court on 10th of February. But out of respect, as per se, you understand now, they appeared. And they found out it was the rescued judge that was the one beside it, and they didn't allow her. Like everybody knew what happened that particular day. And Kanu was on the top of his voice saying that no. Binta Yako cannot proceed over his case. He will not allow Binta Yako to proceed over his case. He won't allow Binta Yako to to preside over his case. He didn't even give her a breathing space. Yes, he didn't even let her talk too much at all. It was just clear that Binta Yako must not preside over the case. It's as simple as that. Binta Yako must not preside over the case. Very simple as that. Because I don't know why I don't know why Justice John Tocho gave the case file back to Binta Yako. And according to Nigerian Gazetted Law, the Nigerian Constitution, when the court rescued herself, he or she cannot come back to that case. Yes, he or she cannot come back to that particular case. And even the Chief Judge of the Federation, John Tosho, cannot tell the judge to come back because the judge is an independent person. Once he or she has rescued herself, she cannot come back, and even the Chief Judge of the Federation cannot come back. It is just the job of the Chief Judge of the Federation to just help us find another judge. If there's no judge in Abuja, they said the countless time. Let's go to the southeast. I mean, it is even in the southeast that all their witness is. To make the case even more easier, it is in the southeast that most of the Namkanu's witness is. It's in the southeast that we have a lot of judges who are willing to preside over the case. It is as simple as that. There's no cause for argument. Yes. But what do you guys think concerning this issue of Nnamdi Kanu and his court of 18? Well, one thing is sure. I just really hope that Nnamdi Kanu get out from this whole mess. I'm sure that he will get out though, but as quick as possible is the best option for us. Don't comment in the comment section and don't forget to leave a like in the video. Then tap the subscribe button as big red on with the notification bell so that anytime I have any new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day ahead of you.